All right, guys. So before we get this course started, I just want to give you guys a bit of information regarding the course. So I'm going to start off with a disclaimer. This course assumes you have the dedication to endure the learning process and that you're not afraid to put in the time and effort. Because animation systems are not plug and play or drag and drop, especially not motion matching systems, despite popular belief. Because ever since they did the videos on motion matching, it's kind of led people to a lot of incorrect assumptions regarding how motion matching works. It is not a plug and play system or a drag and drop system, just so you know. So, this is going to be a beginner to advanced course, and it's going to teach you guys a deeper understanding of things like evaluation spaces, retargeting edge cases, or movement aim integration. By the end of this course, you're going to be able to build a full locomotion set with additive layers, aim offsets, correct sync, and reliable transitions. So, sync groups, something that's probably not as well understood as it should be. I'll be going over all that stuff. So I'll be going over, or you'll be able to retarget and share animations without mismatched base pose disasters, which is pretty common. There's a lot of misconceptions regarding retargeting and how it works. And that just goes down to the fact that people don't understand the basic concepts of skeletal meshes, the reference pose, and anatomy, and how all that plays into retargeting. So you're going to be able to debug animation issues systematically with an understanding of like spaces, tick order, evaluation order, root motion, sync, uh, inertia, different blending techniques, inertial blending and regular pose to pose blending. Then you're going to also be able to add warping, such as motion warping, orientation warping, stride warping, so on and so forth, in a stable, production viable way. And you'll also be able to optimize skeletal meshes and animation cost at scale. So that's basically the intro to this course, and I will see you in the next video where we will discuss briefly importing skeletons, and I'm going to point out a few things regarding that, which I believe is important for you to understand so that you don't fall into any traps. And then after that, we're going to start going over the order of operation of things and how we get from, a skeletal mesh to an animated character in the game. And we'll go from there.